Hi everyone, I'm Claire from Smeg, and today we're diving into one of the coolest trends in coffee, literally.
And I'm Dave from Lavazza, and of course we are talking all things cold brew, what it is, how it tastes, and why it's become a favourite for coffee lovers around the world.
And with Smeg now having an espresso coffee machine, the ECFO3 with the option to make both hot espresso and cold brew, is now simple to make at home. So let's start with the basics. Traditionally, cold brew is made by steeping coarsely ground coffee in cold water for an extended period, usually 12 to 24 hours. The cold brew function on the Smeg espresso machine can achieve the same delicious results in just minutes, with no compromise on flavour.
Amazing. Let's walk us through how exactly it does that.
Well, essentially it agitates the ground coffee using pulses to extract the aromatic compounds without any heat in a much shorter period of time than just leaving the grounds to steep in water.
Exactly. So unlike iced coffee, which of course is brewed hot and then poured over ice, true cold brew is never heated. That cold extraction process gives it a completely different flavour profile. So cold brew is naturally smoother, it's less acidic, and often with slightly more sweetness and more complexity.
And because it's less bitter, it's a great option for people who usually add milk or sugar. You might find you don't have to add either. Now, you might be wondering, how is cold brew different to a hot coffee that's gone cold?
That's a really good question. Okay, so we know that they're made differently, fundamentally, like one is made using hot water and one using cold, but the difference is in the flavour. Now, as hot coffee cools, you lose loads of aromatic compounds and chlorogenic acid actually breaks down, leaving a dull, bitter drink. Just remember, if you've ever gone back to that cup of hot coffee that's gone cold, it tastes pretty terrible, doesn't it? Now, cold brew, on the other hand, extracts flavour in a completely different way with lower concentration of perceived acids and none of that breakdown that creates bitter flavours. So for cold brew, we recommend using a light to medium roast, so here Lavazza's Qualita Oro works beautifully, bringing out tons of sweetness and a silky texture that are fantastic when brewed cold.
Why choose cold brew? Well, it's refreshing, especially in warmer months, and it's incredibly versatile. You can serve it over ice, mix it with milk, or even use it in cocktails. It's great for prepping ahead actually. Make a batch, store it in the fridge, and you've got smooth, ready-to-drink coffee for days.
Delicious. So listen, whether you are new to cold brew or already a fan, it is a fantastic way to explore coffee in a new way, and with the right coffee and the right equipment, it's easy to make at home.
Cold brew is definitely one to try. If you want to find out more, please click on the video links in the description.